evening, viewers. Let me start with short and funny story. Once a little monkey heard that if we plant a mango seed in the soil, the mango tree will grow. The mango tree will grow. He ate mango and threw the seed of mango in on the ground and wait when the tree will grow. A old elephant laugh and say, "My dear monkey, the seed should be in soil, not on the ground." These small words can change the meaning of sentence totally. So let's look at these sentences. He is married with her. He is married to her. He is angry on me. He is angry with me. She entered into the room. She entered the room. These small words called prepositions. Prepositions are the word that shows the relationship between noun and pronoun. So our first preposition is on. On means touching the surface physically. For example, my mobile is on the table. Imagine if your mother asks, "Where is your mobile?" You reply, "Mom, it's on the table." Means simply, right? So our next preposition is over. Over means inside, but it's not over, but it's not touching. For example, the birds flew over our heads. Don't worry, the birds are not sitting on your head. Above. Above means whenever we are talking about level, height comparison and standard, we use above. The photo is above the sofa. In. In means inside something. For example, the money is in my pocket. Are you getting my points? Into it shows movement from outside to inside of the place. For example, she entered into the room. Are you getting? Yes. Within. Within is used for limits and something space of something. For example, the fish is within the bowl. Please finish the work within time. At. At means whenever we are talking about a specific place or exact time, we have to use their at. For example, I am at station. Our class start at 6:30 p.m. With. With means together or together with someone or using with something. For example, she is with her mother. I write a letter with a pen. I go in the market with my sister. By. By means ke dwara. Means we can say like this also. I go to school by bus. Means we are using here by. Means that show we are going. Means bus नी चाललोय म्हणून आपण by use केला. For. For means त्याच्यासाठी. Means I bought a gift for my mother. I work for my family. My father worked for our families. From. From means the starting point and the origin. For example, if anyone asks you, "Where are you from?" Don't say, means don't tell your address directly. Say proudly, "I am from Maharashtra." She borrowed money from me. Are you getting? True. To used for specific direction. For example, I go to school. I go to market. I go to Delhi. About. About means whenever we are talking about specific subject, then we use about. For example, I am teaching about prepositions. They are playing cricket today. Children are enjoying cricket. Through. Through means something is come outside and coming out from the another door is called through. Means the sunlight comes through the window. We ran through the tunnels. Between and among. Between means whenever we are talking about two things or two places, we use between. And when we use among, we are saying like many people are around us. For example, she stood among his friend. Before I end my topic, let me ask you one last question. Can a simple word change the whole meaning of the sentence? Yes, it can. So, not just memorize prepositions, understand them, revise them, and use them in your daily conversation. So, with this word, I would like to conclude my presentation. Thank you.